In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in ClickUp. 2 methods. Welcome in. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know 2 quick ways to add tags to your tasks, plus how to color code and customize them so your team can instantly understand context and priority. First, let's start from your workspace overview and jump into the list view for the list you want to work with. If you're not already there, click List to switch to the list layout. This is where all your tasks live in a simple, scannable table. Hover over the task you want to tag. Look for the small tag icon that looks like a price tag you'd find on a product. Click it to open the tag menu, then create your first tag. You can immediately add another, and even a third if you want to stack multiple labels on the same task. Tags are great for themes like priority, department, status-like context, or campaigns. Whatever helps you slice your work later with filters. Now, let's make those tags stand out. Click a tag's color to open the palette. You'll see a range of preset colors ready to go, so you can quickly assign meanings. For example, many teams use red to signal urgency. Keep it consistent across your space to avoid confusion. If the presets don't match your brand or use case, select Custom and choose a specific shade. This adds a polished, uniform look to your boards and lists. When you're happy, click Save to lock it in. That's the first method done. Let's look at the second way, which you might prefer if you're already inside a task. Open the task you want to tag. Near the top, find the Tags field. If it says Empty, click it. Start typing the tag name, then select it from the suggestions to apply. Add another the same way. Just like before, you can open the tag settings right here to change the color or add a custom shade. It's the exact same process. So whether you're tagging from the list or from within a task, the tools and options are identical. And that's it. 2 simple methods to add and customize tags in ClickUp. Tags make it easier to organize spaces, coordinate teams, and fine-tune your workflow. A quick tip before we wrap. Agree on a naming convention and a color legend with your team. Clear, consistent tags turn into powerful filters and dashboards, helping everyone find what they need in seconds. Thanks for watching, and happy tagging!